Hello guys, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to find the name of any song using Shazam on your new iPhone. Whether you hear a catchy tune on the radio or in a cafe, this feature makes it super easy to identify it, so let's begin. First, open the Shazam app. If you don't see it, just swipe down on your home screen and search for Shazam. When you're ready to identify a tune, hold your phone near the music source, tap the big Shazam button, and it will listen for a few seconds to recognize the track. Once it finds the title, artist, and album cover, they'll appear on your screen. If you want to see more details, just tap on the track to access lyrics, videos, and streaming options. And that's it. But if you want a quicker access in the future, swipe down to open the control center. Then tap on the Add a control option. Search for Recognize Music. Click on it and then tap on the empty area to confirm. Next time you want to identify music, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, tap the Shazam icon, and it will start listening right away. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.